Now, we're going to learn about variable, the orange blocks. Previously, the ballerina had asked for your name and it was displayed here, using the answer block. Then the ballerina asked again if you like Scratch. In the second question, the ballerina doesn't remember your name anymore, because she has to remember whether you like Scratch. The light blue answer block can only remember one answer. When you answer the first question about your name, the ballerina uses the answer block to remember your name. When you answer the second question, this answer block is used by the ballerina to remember the answer to the second question. We will make a polite ballerina, so whether you like Scratch or not, she will greet you by your name. So, she must always remember your name. To remember an information, we can store that information into a variable. For example, because we want to make the ballerina remember our name, we can create a variable. Create a variable by clicking the orange block and make new variable. Here, name the variable as your name, so you know what this variable is used to remember. Variables can be made to be remembered by all sprites, or only certain sprites. For now, select all the sprites. After the variable is finished, use it in block coding, like this. Save the answer content into variable your name. Use two green join blocks here, since we have to arrange sentences, which has your name in it. The first green block is to join thank you and your name, while the second green block is to ask you to learn more. See here, we can join multiple blocks. In here, also use a green block for an encouraging sentence and variable your name. You can hide this part, which contains the variable content, by unchecking this checkbox near the variable name. Try to run the application. See, this ballerina is polite. She always remembers your name. Now, we will make all the ballerinas dance if you like Scratch. We already have this block to broadcast messages. Now, we will make all the ballerinas dance when they receive a dance message. Add this block in all ballerina. Then, to get all the ballerinas to start dancing in the same manner, change all of them to costume A, when the green flag is clicked. We have changed the center ballerina's costume. Add this block to the right ballerina and the left ballerina. Remember, you can copy-paste by selecting the block, pressing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. For example, select the dancing block in the ballerina center, press Ctrl-C, then click another ballerina, and press Ctrl-V. Run your application.